Whew. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, we got an emergency on our hands. We got a flood. They think it's the sprinklers. Damn. Look at all this water. I gotta put my rainbow. Give me, throw me the broom. Damn. I'm saying Brian gonna never be able to. I'm telling you to get the stuff out the closet, but that's so odd. The two separate buildings. What happened at the same time? So I ran down there to the maintenance man. I get down there to tell him, and they dealing with.
2 hours later.
I heard him. It's coming right out the light. That's so weird.
You got the light out though.
No.
Yeah, turn it off.
Because of the pipes. See? So what ain't no way to let that drip in, really.
Like that sprinkler here, but
Do
the right thing. Let me get out in front of your camera.
Okay.
Do the right thing.
All right, y'all, here come the fire department. Because it's the sprinkler systems. It's not even like the regular pipes. It's the sprinkler bus. So I think the fire department the only one that could turn it off. So and it was so crazy. It's another building because I ran down there to talk to the maintenance man. He right there. I get down there, the other building doing the same thing. So they're gonna have to stop here first. Yeah, come on, turn this water off for me. I'm gonna turn this water off. Lord Jesus. Hey, how you doing?
Good.
Well, I was doing good before this happened.
You guys look? Well, what is it?
I got my kids upstairs. Just coming out the sprinkler.
Oh, yeah, bring it back. Access to the attic.
I have to go upstairs.
No, I'm saying, you have like an attic.
Yeah, I can show you where it's at.
Oh, yeah, come on.
Yeah.
That's probably gonna help you look at where everything is. Go find the attic and see if you can see with her. And I'm gonna find the FTC or the see if we can set it off. I'm thinking that's what it's gonna be. Hang it up.
Water all the way. I'm taking it.
Yeah, grab an attic ladder. Yep. Bring it up there. We're gonna get the attic and see that. Hey, you got anything?
Next door, same thing, but just on the other level. Everybody. Hey man, what's it like being tall?
What is like being short?
Bend over.
You need a light?
Look, Kyra, it's the fireman. It's a ladder.
Yes, it's gray.
Is that what?
It's red. Yeah. Look, it's gray and ladder.
Hold on, guys. Scoot back, okay? Hold on, guys. Yeah, it's the fireman, big boy. Say bye, fireman. Oh, Lord. And then it's coming down the wall. That's my thing. And then it's coming in the light. It's dangerous. They need to hurry up and turn this water off. Oh, that's not good. So y'all came up here and did all that and the water's still coming? Lord Jesus. Damn, the people finna be mad, so they can't figure out how to turn it off. So they gotta turn off the water, like, to the whole building. So we're not gonna be able to flush toilets, cook, or do nothing for the Christmas? Oh my God. It's just my foyer. You know, you have never been in. It's just my foyer, so I'm upstairs.
Okay.
But they're gonna turn the water off, so I don't know when it's.
Because I called them to turn the sprinklers off.
They don't know how to do it.
So they said the fire department's supposed to do it.
They don't. They just went up there to my attic. They don't know how to turn it off. So now they looking for the water, the actual water.
Some way connected to the plumbing of the problem that we've been having.
Okay, we dripping slow now. It's a slow drip. So I think they got it. Yeah, it's off now. It's off. Now ain't that crazy? That thing been there this whole time and I never even realized it. But that's it right there. So now we ain't got water, guys. No water until further notice. Lord Jesus. Oh, man. What a Christmas. All right. Well, they're packing it up, guys. And they're shipping it out. So luckily I stay at the top, so only thing that really got wet is down here, but my closet got a whole bunch of stuff in it, but nothing really. Yo, I got this closet so packed tight. Look at that. That don't even make sense. But there's nothing really in there that can be damaged, I don't think. So we good overall, I think, except for the walls. Like, look at the walls though. Oh, look at it. It's still dripping. I ain't even show y'all. It was literally, you see how it's dripping from the light? It was mostly coming from the light. So hopefully I get some new paint. Which I needed some new paint anyway, so we'll see. But all is not lost, so we still good. We still good. You like it?
Yeah.
You like that? It's not for anything. It's just, you know, when you get your braids, especially when you go back to school. Okay, y'all. So in the midst of all that, I had to get Rye ready because her dad was finna come pick her up, and I just wanted to show y'all what we got him this year for his little Christmas gift from her. I always feel like she should get him something, even though I'm paying for it, but still. So I got him some kind of the same thing that I gave her, some Forces and a Nike hat. Look at Rye, y'all. Say hi to the people. Tell them a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Boy, I told you we had a flood. And you ain't gonna help me? Shut up. We got you something. But luckily, you know, I stay upstairs, so it wasn't. She up there. She in my room. I gave her my room. You'll see when y'all come back. Bye. You gonna open up your gift?
I'll go open it now. I'll open it later.
Okay.
What you want me to open now?
You ripped it up last year. You opened it, but it was easier because it was just in there. Yeah. I mean, yeah. I want to see your reaction.
I'll open it later.
All right. Y'all, look at Rye. When like I said, when I said this girl is spoiled, I mean that. This boy done pulled up in a Bentley, a 2-door one. Matter of fact, a 2-tone 2-door one at that. Y'all, he do the most. Meanwhile, I'm over here dealing with a minor flood. Boy, get back up there. But it's all good though.
5 hours later.
Guess who decided to join us finally?
Sorry, I know you guys missed me.
Golly. Well, come on in.
Something really, my most favorite gift that I want to show you.
Oh, your most favorite gift. Let's see what you got here. Oh, your car. You got a remote control.
I didn't even tell him. I'm assuming you told him.
I don't know what you. I mean, Santa know everything, right?
Oh my god!
Look at that. Well, that's fun.
So all the presents are in here. There's a lot.
Oh. Well, let's come in here and see. See, you got some new boots. You left with Forces on. You came back with Uggs. y'all, we finally made it to the party. Party time, guys. So you can talk to them, right? I'm just gonna watch. So let's see. So you wanna put it? You can put it right here, and then step back.
Okay. Hold on.
So let's see what Rod got.
Hold on, I left something in my room.
Wow! That's very
Wow,
cool.
you see what she got? She got a big car.
Hey, look, it's a big car and a small car.
In fact, I'm gonna sit over here that way after.
That was amazing.
Okay.
Oh.
So,
Okay.
no boy, this is not yours.
What's wrong, Kyra?
Okay.
Hold on, let's look and see.
I got the Dior Sugar Scrub Lip Gloss.
Ooh, you really wanted that one.
Hold on, let me show you how it looked. It was like really, really cute. And it was like my favorite type of lip gloss.
Wow. Nice.
How is that a sugar or something?
Because it just smells like it.
Nice.
Boys.
And then
That's pretty.
LED lights.
Sticky. Oh, LED lights? Okay.
Wow.
And then this is Tory Burch.
Uh-huh.
This is a new brand I've heard of. And purple slides.
Oh, wow, those are cute. Take them out so you can see. Ooh, those are cute. For the spring. Oh my God, I like those. Those are cute.
Those are here.
And then
Come.
my back.
No,
Then the
that's
one and only
that's a
pink
teacher.
new iPad.
Oh, very nice. Let's
Let
see.
me see.
Yeah, that's for you, Cairo. That's here.
Oh, it's a wheel.
Okay.
Mommy, we just
You
got a
missing
truck.
one of your rainbows. Go ahead, go ahead.
I got it.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
gonna be an iPad kid now. No.
I see the toy. I see a toy.
You like that one?
Yes.
And then
That's
jewelry
pretty.
from K Jewelry. This
It's pretty. I
got
$100.
$100.
That was cool.
And then
Wait a
these,
minute, let's see the earrings. So did we see the earrings? Oh, okay, sorry.
Wow.
and then
That's
earrings.
so many cool than that.
Oh,
So
very
many
nice.
toys.
to put them on.
The
They're
one
just-
is the
pretty.
sky on
Pretty.
shadow. Get the sky on the
And then I guess the last thing was the Ugg.
Bye.
Let's see the car. That's the main thing I want to see is the
Oh,
car.
hello. That's me, kind of.
Put this money back in there. So it has to charge, but
Hey, this is mine.
Okay, so let's see it in action. You know how to make it drive?
no, it's dead.
Oh, it's dead?
Yeah.
You gotta charge it up.
I need cut the
Okay.
scissors.
But luckily they came with batteries, so good.
Okay, girl, you cleaned up. So let's see here. So you say, okay. So yeah, so you did good. So in the meantime, y'all, I'm pretty much finna end this video, but we got these little,
Mommy.
here y'all, put that stuff back. We got some New Year's Eve bags right here. So we got Rye. We got you a bag of goodies. Hold
I
on.
need to open that.
Okay.
I
It's for
need to
you.
open-
And then here, Kyra.
Oh.
No, that's not for you. That's Star. Here, look, I got you a New Year's Eve bag.
Wow, nice, cool.
And then here, Cairo. Let me see which one. Oh, yeah, this Cairo. Cairo.
Hi,
And Starry. Here you go, girl. You want one? There you go. Ooh, look at that. A slingshot.
That's cool. That's
Oh!
pretty.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I want to play with it.
You can. That's what it's there for.
I like this game.
Okay, a star.
That's
So y'all, we did it. I got all my gifts wrapped. They're under the tree. Some stuff is like in tissue paper. Like clothes and stuff is in tissue paper or whatever. So it's not like everything wrapped. But y'all get the point. Girl, a tablet. We got so much more fun stuff. Where your bag of goodies at, Star? I put bells in there.
Wow. That's cool.
Here were your bells.
I like this game now. So many toys. So many.
So anyway, y'all, that's pretty much it for this video.
Carrots and carrots.
We're just gonna be hanging out until they get sleepy.
See you next time.
But y'all make sure y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Y'all say bye. Y'all say Merry Christmas. Look, Cairo, say Merry Christmas to the camera.
Merry Christmas.
Cairo, say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Star, say Merry Christmas, girl. Say bye-bye. Look, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Y'all see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Now, God could turn water into wine. And it's Christmas. Christmas time to drink the eggnog. Ooh, grandma! Wow. It's so divine. 'Tis the season to be drunk. La 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 la. Ooh. That's some honey. I think I'm drunk, darling.
Hey, babe.